Good morning, everyone. This is Marcia Berry with Camden County Cooperative Extension, and today we're going to be learning about how to read a compass. So here's my compass, and as you can see, there's 4 directional points or 4 cardinal points on a compass. If you read it in clockwise, there's 360 degrees, and it reads north, east, south, and west. And an easy way to remember that is never eat soggy worms or never eat spider webs. So let's take a closer look at your compass. So here we're taking a closer look at our compass, and you can see north, east, south, and west. A compass points north because all magnets have 2 poles, a north pole and a south pole, and the north pole of one magnet is attracted to the south pole of another magnet. There's a magnet inside of a compass that allows it to always point to the north because the earth is a magnet. There's a north pole and a south pole. Once you set your compass on a flat surface, you're going to want to turn your compass until the red needle is pointing north. Once the red needle is on north, you'll know that that direction is north and all the other directions are correct. This is an important skill to have, especially when you're hiking in the woods. Stay safe out there.